The EVEAGE E5 Surface Cleaner is a versatile two-in-one tool that combines underbody and surface cleaning functions, enhancing efficiency and reducing the need for multiple attachments. Weighing less than 10 pounds and measuring 13 inches, this compact surface cleaner is designed for easy maneuverability on both horizontal and vertical surfaces. With its dual powerful rotating jets and a rotation speed of 1,500 revolutions per minute, this attachment offers up to 10 times more coverage than a standard nozzle, saving up to 70% of cleaning time. Constructed with a sealed bearing in the central hub and an all-metal body, the EVEAGE E5 is built to last, ensuring reliable performance without issues like breakage or water leakage. This pressure washer accessory is ideal for cleaning various surfaces including driveways, patios, sidewalks, decks, concrete, and brick walls, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning arsenal. The EVEAGE E5 Surface Cleaner makes an excellent gift for friends and family, helping them achieve the cleanest outdoor surfaces in the neighborhood.